How to design product labels and stickers in Canva Mobile, step by step. Beautiful finished product labels for soap, honey, candles, cosmetics, water bottles, coffee bags. Want to create beautiful product labels using nothing but your phone? Maybe you're selling handmade soap, candles, honey, skincare, or any other product. Well, the good news is you don't need expensive design software. You don't even need a computer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to design professional-looking product labels and stickers using Canva Mobile. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your label, export it correctly, and even prepare it for printing. Let's get started. Before we begin, I'd like to give a huge shout out to one of our viewers, at Zorais-78B, who left these comments. Sir, please teach me how to make stickers and labels using Canva on mobile. I had to make a sticker for soap. Please tell me how to make it and where will the print be? Firstly, thank you so much for your comment. I love making tutorials that you actually want to see. And I want everyone watching to know that I genuinely read your comments. Many of the videos on this channel are inspired directly by your requests. So if there's a Canva feature, an AI tool, or something you've always wanted to learn, leave your suggestion below. Your comment might become the next Genius Junkie tutorial. Now, let's create a product label. What you'll learn. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right Canva document, how to create a professional-looking label, how to add your logo, how to insert product information, how to make everything look balanced, how to export your design correctly, and finally, where you can actually print your labels. Let's jump into Canva. Open Canva Mobile. Open the Canva app on your phone. Tap the plus button to create a new design. Now here's a mistake many beginners make. They simply choose any random size. Instead, search for label. Canva already includes lots of ready-made label templates. If you're designing for a product like soap or candles, these templates are an excellent place to start. If you already know your label dimensions, you can also tap custom size and enter the measurements. Don't worry too much about sizing today. I'll be making a dedicated tutorial showing exactly how to measure bottles, jars, and packaging correctly. Canva has thousands of label templates. Don't worry about finding the perfect one. Instead, choose a layout you like. Remember, you're going to customize almost everything anyway. A template simply gives you a head start. Look for templates with good spacing, clear typography, simple layouts, strong contrast. Avoid designs that feel cluttered. Remember, the easier your label is to read, the more professional it usually looks. Now it's time to make the design your own. Place the placeholder text with your business name, product description, weight or volume, ingredients if required, website, social media, contact details. If you have a logo, tap Uploads and insert it. Try to keep everything aligned. Don't overcrowd the design. White space is your friend. Sometimes removing one element makes a label look twice as expensive. Colors play a huge role in branding. If you're selling handmade soap, soft natural colors often work beautifully. For luxury candles, black and gold create a premium look. Organic products usually work well with greens and earth tones. Children's products often benefit from brighter colors. The key is consistency. Use the same colors across all your products. That way, customers instantly recognize your brand. Canva includes thousands of icons and illustrations. Try searching for leaf, flower, soap, water, organic, natural, minimal. Only use graphics that support your design. Too many decorations can distract from your product name. Remember, your label should help people understand what you're selling in just a few seconds. Once you're happy with your design, tap Download. If you're printing at home, I recommend exporting as a PDF print file. This gives you the highest print quality. If you're sending the design to a professional printer, they'll usually ask for PDF print as well. If you're using your label online, for example on Etsy, Shopify, or social media, PNG works perfectly. Always zoom into your design before exporting. Check for spelling mistakes. Make sure everything is aligned. These tiny details make a huge difference. Now, let's answer the second question. Where can you actually print your labels? You have several options. Option 1, print them yourself using sticker paper. This is great for small businesses and testing designs. Option 2, use a local print shop. Many print shops can print labels on waterproof or glossy sticker paper. Option 3, use an online label printing company. This is usually the best option if you're producing large quantities. Most companies simply ask you to upload your PDF, choose your material, select your size, and they'll deliver professionally printed labels straight to your door. Before we finish, here are 5 quick tips. Number 1, keep your fonts simple. Number 2, don't use more than 2 fonts on one label. Number 3, always leave a small margin around the edges. Number 4, print one sample before ordering hundreds. And number 5, view your label from a distance. If you can't quickly read the product name, neither can your customers. And that's it. You now know how to create beautiful product labels and stickers using Canva Mobile. In my next tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to size your labels correctly for bottles, jars, soap packaging, and other products. That's another question many of you have been asking, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And remember, today's video came directly from one of your comments, so keep those tutorial requests coming. I read every single one, and your idea might be featured in a future Genius Junkie tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.